super noisy. All right, today's video, we are going to be replacing some blower bearings. I've already replaced this blower motor. Bearings were pretty loud in that too. As loud as it sounds now, it was even louder. So that was a whole other event, getting that thing up here, because it's pretty far up. That thing is not light, so just kind of rigged up some unistrut here, made a platform more up there, used my winch and just winched it up here and swung it in. Wasn't too bad. I might insert a pic. I did not film that though. So today we're gonna try and replace these bearings. Hopefully it goes well. This unit is not that old and almost looks like somebody has replaced that bearing before. It is a Sealmaster. I think it's roughly 2 3/16 inch. Let's see. I'm gonna do both sides if we have to. Order both, yeah. 2 3/16. So let's get the party started. And we are all alone up here, so it's just you and I. So hopefully you enjoy this. If not, I'm not enjoying it either. But somebody's got to do it. All right. See how nice and rusty we are. Hopefully this ain't too bad. As you can see, the bearings on the motor, and this is brand new, good and quiet. But these things, it's really hard to tell. They're it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't shake like it's bad. It could be the other side there, but usually it's this side here. But we're gonna start with this. Like I said, somebody has replaced this one before, so I don't know what the deal is with this thing. And yes, it's been greased. They greased the crap out of it. All right, so it's hard to get it up. Kind of hear it, but almost sounds like it's that outboard bearing. So I might change gears here, switch to that side first. So this one definitely has been replaced, not by me, but people who put this thing in had to replace this because it doesn't match the other side. All right, let's see if we can get here. As you can see, she had plenty of grease, and this one, they just don't match, at least color wise. Size wise they're the same. I just have a feeling this one is probably original. Let's see. So it's kind of hard to very strange. If I can get it going fast enough, I can hear it. Let's get to it. All right, yeah, definitely. We're gonna start with this side. I don't know if you can see, but that grease that was coming out there, it's black or brown. So I have a feeling that's the side that's burnt, and because the other side, you know, the grease that was coming out was nice and clean and red. So we're gonna hit this side. Okay, so the hub came off pretty easily. Just gonna sand all that up, and hopefully this slides off just as easy. All right, got that loose. We're going to put a little PV in here. Losing my light. What's up here? There we go. And let's see, put some on the shaft. I guess my light's dying. All right. Let's see how that comes off here. I don't think that's eccentric. Pretty sure the other one is not either. So this should just hopefully slide off here. Let's give it a tip. Yeah, it's moving. Pull up on that shaft some more. All right. Took a couple minutes, but we're fully committed now. Don't see. Man, it looks pretty crusty back here. So let's get our new one in and pray for the best here. Okay, we almost back where we started from. Just gonna tighten her down. The set screws in yet. Let's see if we hear anything. Not really, but let's put it back together and see what happens. All right, and switching that fitting over. Yes, I did add some grease before I brought it up here, so put it back the way it was. Okay, you're next. As you can see, it's like brand new still, so not the source of a noise. Alright, so I'm going to use the old rust lines there. Actually stops right there as our mark. Okay. I'm not hearing what I heard before. It's encouraging. All right, let's get it lined back up and put our belts on. There we go. Okay, we're all buttoned back up here. Tight, tight. Less noise. What do you think? It's gonna be quieter? About to find out. Still got a noise. A lot of vibration there. Let's get to the backside now. All right, this side only took about 2.5 minutes to get off. A little bit of rust was holding tight, but got it out. Let's get our new one. A little bit. Doing the old twist. All right. We're all back together. Some screws are in. That's tight. Let's see. Take two. Oh boy. Hopefully this is it. Please, please, please. That's the best it sounded. Back in there. Vibration's gone. This was the culprit. Alright. Get out of here. Heck yeah. That's the best it sounds, that's for sure. We can actually have a conversation up here now. Yeah, this is the same unit from a couple videos ago that had the block ductwork. So just got back. We did replace the blower motor. Now the driven side bearings and backside bearings. So what else? Maybe the blower wheel will go bad next. I don't know. This unit's not that old. It's only I'd say 2 to 3 years old. If that. Just barely got handed over to us. So. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm thrilled that it's quieter now, and so will the people who occupy this space. So appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out the video, watching my attempt to fix air conditioning. So, all right, catch you guys in the next video. See ya. So this was the back bearing. I mean, it feels good. It had grease. This one did not have black grease coming out of it. So, but I guess it makes sense. They probably replaced this one without replacing the back one, because this one's kind of the same. I don't know. They're all 3 different colors. New ones were black. This is like a gray. It's light gray. I don't know. It's fixed. And the most tedious part is hauling all this junk, tools, up and down the stairs. But at least we got some drums today. Wonder if they'll notice. All right, here in luck. No sticks. So I won't be able to show you my drumming skills if I hadn't.